Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Theta coin. Theta has broken down the support of this descending triangle and found another support. And in today's video, we will analyze are we going to break down the next support or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. And on this long-term weekly time frame, the price line was moving in this descending triangle since March 2021, and we were having nice bounces by the support and so many rejections by the resistance as well. And after these recent rejections that we had at the last week of December, the price line broke down the support. We were also having very nice support of the 100 weekly simple moving average. The price line also broke down this 100 simple moving average as well. Now, this previous resistance of the triangle that was approximately at $4, that can become a very strong resistance for the price line. Now we are having another support that is also a very nice support at $2.25, because previously when we had this powerful move in December 2020, the price line has been facing this resistance of $2.25 for several weeks. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after 6 rejections on the weekly time frame, we broke it out and started the next very big move. On the daily time frame, we can see that we have so many rejections on the daily candlesticks, and after several candlesticks, several rejections, the price line finally broke it out here in Feb 2021 and started a very big move after breaking out this very big resistance. Therefore, this support is very important for Theta. If it will be broken down, then it can move down to the next support that is here at approximately 80 cents. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame, then here on the daily time frame, Theta has found another resistance, and that is here. We have found another resistance, and you can see here we also have a kind of down channel formation. Here we have a rejection here, and right now we are likely to bounce from here as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces by the support and several touch points at the resistance as well. This time, the resistance of the down channel and the previous support of this big descending triangle are approximately at the same level at $4. The price line needs to break out this crisscross of resistance at the same time to start a big move from here. Now, for example, if the price line during this move to the upside breaks out this resistance that is at approximately at $4, then it can re-enter this big triangle, and after re-entering this big descending triangle, it can again reach the resistance, and this time the resistance will be approximately at $5.05, and after breaking out this resistance, it can start a big move. However, so far it is not confirmed that we are going to break out that resistance. Before that, we need to break out this crisscross of the resistances, like this down channel resistance and also the resistance of the previous support of the descending triangle that was previously working as a support. Now it has turned into the resistance, and also this weekly 100 simple moving average as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.